Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Whitey23. I'm here with a chill POV. In a bit chillin'. Know what I'm saying? First little video with a 2.3 Mustang. Turbo! Not to mention, feel me? But, yeah, man, I'm just cooling today. Ain't really on that. How y'all boy day was? But day was, man. Y'all see I got the starlights. Listen, I got the starlights in here. Got baby bro with me. Baby bro. Yeah. Finna see y'all. Ain't gonna say what I got under the hood. Y'all boy got a light for that. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all got a light for that. But, yeah. Here we go. Let me build. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Alright, y'all. We back. Y'all know I got y'all. gotta get some gas. Hey man, y'all see it, we gotta get gas. Let me get back to y'all.
A few moments later.
Hey man, gas station too far, so I'ma just have to record with my hand like this and just go ahead and make it home. Excuse me though, sorry. As y'all see though, we chilling. I got goddamn 46 miles in here. It's gonna be my second time filling up within like, is that a cop? Uh-oh, I see a cop, but it's gonna be my second time filling up within like, I think 6 or 5 days in this, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I put 40 in here, 44 in here, and it filled me up. Pause. So yeah, this car is pretty good on gas, and it's my first week having it, so I've been dogging it. But I'm cruising right now, y'all. But yeah, I like this car, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The first half, I just mainly let y'all hear the car. But for the second half, I want to talk. Goddamn, y'all get to know me and stuff. I will be doing more content like this. I definitely got a nighttime drive. Look at that 330. That's smooth. But I will be doing some nighttime drives. But yeah, I definitely got some more mods coming too. I already got the starlights, as y'all can see. Got a custom Gemini sign in there. I'll show y'all more in depth on the next video. Y'all comment down below if y'all want to see all the mods I got. Oh, cop coming, y'all. All right, y'all, we back. But I don't know where we are now. I'm literally going everywhere but a gas station. But I know I said I was gonna get back to y'all when I found a gas station, but shit, I can't find one. No cap. But yeah, I got a GT500 Sport on the way and a rear diffuser. I may get the headlights tinted. Well, I need to. Ain't no man in that, but I need to. I just want to do all the aggressive mods first. I ain't gonna cap. Oh my gosh. Shoot, I don't even know what to call this POV now. It was gonna be highway. Okay, here go a marathon. Get some gas now, cause I've been tripping. I don't know if I'm gonna fill it up, but I might just put like 40 in here again. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I finish this little pump real quick, man. All right, y'all, so got some gas in here. Baby almost back to full. Do some 40 in it, bit. I do 40 in it, bit. Oh, I should go get on him. That look like my homeboy. Should I get him, y'all? Dang, bro. Dang, bro. I should have got him, bro. I think that was my homeboy, y'all. I seen you earlier. Pull up, boy. What's up? But, dang, bro. I'm slick mad, y'all. If y'all enjoying the video right now, like, comment, subscribe. More content like this. This is 2016 Ford Mustang EcoBoost, 2.3 turbo. A little bit of something under the hood. I ain't gonna say too much. Straight pipe, no mufflers, no resonators. We'll be going catless downpipe soon. And yeah, that's all y'all get to know for now. Y'all gotta like, comment, subscribe for the next. But yeah. Y'all comment down below any questions. You know what I'm saying? I just got this I originally wanted a Charger, I ain't gonna lie, but I was fortunate to get this, and I got it. It was a good deal. I plan on paying it off by 2 years or less. If you want to know how I got the car, how much I pay and stuff, comment that down, because I'll let y'all know. I'll make a video or whatever. And yeah, man, like I said, I got a lot of mods coming. Got a lot of mods. I was gonna record the starlights for y'all, but I really just didn't want to mess up. But yeah, it's my baby. Her name Pluto. You know what I'm saying? She gray. Well, silver. Whatever you want to call her. I'm gonna say silver. But she beautiful. She my baby. My little baby. I'm gonna get her some surgery done. She definitely gonna get a new face. If you get what I'm saying, she getting a new face, you know what I'm saying? She already got some new hair. She got some new braids and her braid chain colors. Y'all know how we get. I will be doing a walk around video pretty soon. But I just figured I'd drop this because, like, I know y'all want to see who's driving and stuff. Y'all don't really want to see the walk around. Y'all want to see people drive. So I want to drop what y'all want to see, and y'all gonna like, comment, subscribe, and we gonna turn up. This was a little chill POV. Nothing crazy. I got homeboys I'm gonna cut up with later tonight, so I will be recording again. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna put some content out for y'all. Y'all just gotta bear with me. Last boy. She talk a little bit. She learning how to speak English, you know what I'm saying? She learning. I want her speaking Chinese soon. You know better. I just want to cruise. That's it. I just want to cruise. I'm cruising. It ain't too out, but it is straight pipe. No resonators. So it ain't no stock, you feel me? This shit makes somebody mad. But yeah. Don't forget, man, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna get y'all a lot of content, bro. Y'all just gotta bear with me. I'm still figuring out the map, dog. I just got here not too long ago. I'm figuring out the map on this place, bro. I just landed in Mexico. But once I figure out the map, I'm gonna get right with y'all. Shit, y'all know what's up. I ain't gonna lie, man. It's probably gonna be some traffic for the rest of the way, man. I don't want to bore y'all out. If y'all like this video, man, comment, subscribe, send to a friend. And if you a Mustang owner, bro, show some love, bro. If you're a Charger owner, it's love, but I'm dragging you. I don't care what you in. Scat, whatever, I don't care. I'm dragging you. I know how to drive. But y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. We're gonna keep it up. And yeah, man. We out, man. White Ski 23.
Pay what you want, everything you see is yours. Think it's time to go get a new cat. I ain't riding the G no more.